So what's up guys, welcome to CSS tutorial, and in this class we will be learning about a different type of transitions that are available inside of the CSS. Okay, so first of all I will create one division. I will say this is div, and to this I will give the class. I will give the class as a div1. I'll come inside of this style, and I will say div1, and inside of this I will specify the width. I will say width as 200 pixels, and I will give the height as 200 pixels, and background color as yellow green. I will save this, come over here on my desktop, and I will execute my file. Okay, so now this is the division. Now I will apply the transitions on this particular division when I will be hovering on this. So before that I will come over here and specify the transition property, and I will be applying this transition on my width. So I will say width, and this transition should get completed within 2 seconds. Okay, so I will give the time also, and over here I will come to that very same division, which is this particular division. I will say dot div1, and when I'll be hovering on this, okay, so I'll make use of the hover property. I want width to change. Okay, so I will give the width as 400 pixels. Okay, so when I will be taking the mouse on the division, I want its width to get extended. Okay, so I will save this. I'll come over here, I'll refresh my page, and if I'm just taking my mouse on this, its width is getting extended. Okay, so if I'm just removing the mouse, its width is coming back to normal state. If suppose I want to change this background color when I am hovering mouse on this, then I will say background color, and when I am hovering on this, I want its change to color to change to violet. I will save this. I'll come over here and refresh, and if I'm just taking mouse on this, then these are the changes what is been applied on this. Okay, so this is how you can make use of this hover property to apply the changes to element when you are hovering on this. So over here we are just focusing on the transition. I'm applying the transition on the width, and the transition should apply for 2 seconds, and this is the transition which is which should get extended to 400 pixels from this 200 pixels. Okay, so now what I'll do is I will create few divisions over here. I will say this is a second division. I will say this is second division, and I will create one more division over here, and I will say this is third division, and I will create one more division. I will say this is fourth division over here. Okay, so as of now I'm having 4 divisions. I want one more. This is fifth division. Okay, so now I'm having 5 divisions. I will give them a class. I will say this is div2, and I will say this is div3, this is div4, and this will be the last one, and I will say this is div5. I will save this. Okay, so now I'll be giving 2 classes to this. Okay, so these are the for few classes, which is division 1 2 3 4 5, and I will call this class as div main, and I will give that div main class to all these elements. I will say div main to this also. Because I want these properties to get applied on all these divisions. I will save this, and if I'm just refreshing, then I'm getting these 4 divisions. Let me just give a little bit of spacing. So I will say margin, and I will give the margin of 3 pixels. I will save this. I will come over here and refresh, and now I'm getting a little bit of space. I don't want its height to be 200. I'll just say 100 because I want everything inside of one frame. Okay, so now I'm getting all these boxes in on one place. Now I'll be introducing you guys to the transition timing function. So first I will show you the value of linear, and I will apply this on first division, and now I will say transition timing function, and I will give the value as linear, and I will do that very same thing for div 2, and I will make use of the transition timing function, and for this I will give the value as is. And for this I will give the value as is out, and now I will go to division 4. I will be explaining you guys how this is working, so just wait for a while. Let me just write the code, and is in dot d5, and transition timing function, and is in out. Okay, so now all these properties and values have been applied. So now let me just tell you what is this linear, is in, is out, everything. Okay, so when I give the value as is, it specifies the transition effect with the slow start, and then it will move a little bit fast, then it will end again slowly. Okay, so now if I'm just coming over here and refreshing my page, okay, so it has started slowly. Okay, just wait for a while. All these properties are applied to this division. Okay, so I have to change this to div main. I'm saving this, and now I'll refresh this. So now if I'm just taking a cursor over here, then I'm seeing the changes. Okay, so for this first division, we have set transition timing effect as linear. Okay, and when we give the value as a linear, it specifies the transition effect with the same speed which is at the beginning. That very same speed will be at the end. Okay, so now if I'm just taking the cursor, the speed of transition is almost same. Okay, so it is not changing, it is linear. And for this second division, we have set the transition timing effect as is, and when we give the value as is, it specifies the transition effect as it will start slowly, then it will go fast, and at the end it will again become slow. Okay, so now if I'm just taking the cursor, so it can be seen it first it moved slow, then it went fast, then again slowly. Just watch again. Okay, so it can be seen this is the effect. And for this third division, we have given the value as is out. When I'm saying is out, it specifies the transition effect with the slow end. Okay, so it will end slowly. Now I'll go to this third division, it is ending slowly. Okay, so there is a difference. And for fourth division, we have given the value as is in, and when I say is in, it specifies the transition effect with the slow start. It will start slow, and then it will go fast. Okay, division 4. Okay, so as you can see, it is starting slowly, then it is moving fast, and it just stops suddenly. And for last one, I'm saying is in out. When I say is in out, it specifies the transition effect with slow start and the slow end, and this is how the things goes. It will start slowly, and it will also end slowly. Okay, as can be seen, but if I'm just going to the fourth one, it stops all of a sudden. Okay, as can be seen, it is stopping all of a sudden as if someone has applied brakes, but it goes slowly. Okay, so with this property you can with this value it can guarantee the smooth flow, which is ace in and out. Okay guys, so this was all about the transitions in HTML. You can apply this very same properties on the height also. If you want to change the height, then you can do that also. You just have to change this from width to height, and all these properties will be applied on the height. If you want to give a property as height also, so you can just say height, and you can again say 3 seconds, whatever seconds that you want, and you just have to specify that height over here. I will say height, and I want height to change to 300 pixels. And if I'm just saving this, and let me just refresh, and now the height is also getting changed. Okay, so it can be seen the height is also getting changed, but we were getting that error because we have not put a colon over here. Let's see now whether we are getting it correctly. Okay, so as can be seen, the height is also increasing now. Okay, so this is how you can apply the changes to the width and the height also. Okay guys, so this is how the transitions are working. Thanks for watching.